Miracles are happening today. Just look around and see. Miracles are happening in me. I'm His redemption work, you'll see. I am in the Father's hands, being shaped into the man I'm destined to be. Tossing, turning, edges forming, fire burning, life breathing to me. His masterpiece is in me. His spirit lives inside of me. Removed all my sin and shame. A blank canvas He named miracle. Miracle. God is working overtime today. Just look around and say, God is working internally in me, renewing on my mind, you'll see. Took His brush and painted love upon that cross that filled with blood just for me. Took His pen and wrote with grace and wiped the tears right off my face. I can't see. His masterpiece is in me. His spirit lives inside of me. He removed all my sin and shame. A blank canvas He named miracle. Miracle. Signs and wonders, miracle wonders all around me. Signs and wonders, miracle wonders as I live and breathe. Signs and wonders, miracle wonders all around me. Signs and wonders, miracle wonders as I live and breathe. Miracle.